bit. A few gap ups to look at this morning. Of course, we're going to have to wait for these to line themselves up for a good 5 or 10 minutes, but looks like we got NXPI, CAT, Baidu, KLAC, and WDC to the upside that we'll be considering, and then to the downside, we'll be looking at JPM, OLED, Roku, Tesla, Home Depot, and Bev, CAT, and IQ. But we need to wait for those to line themselves up. We can start to set our alarms though. Let's see, we got that. Actually, we don't even have that to the, we don't have any gaps to the upside. We have got a couple downside. JP Morgan, see if that wants to come back.
387, pretty key price.
That's set.
That's the pre-market high.
OLED.
Crossover on both when we get a chance.
Oh, they're really taking a leg down. See if they want to get back up into the 145 area. Roku down on the day.
Also moving pretty nicely, but the volume isn't that good.
Tesla off of Musk's comments as usual. Got that. HD on, they're going to be on earnings. See if that wants to come back. And then CAT. Got CAT there. Remember, we have Powell coming up in about 13 minutes. I don't know what happened here in IQ, but something happened.